Okay, this is cute, but it's not good. A gentleman brought this to me. It even has the little electric starter on it. You just stick her on the end and don't have to kill yourself to start it. But look, I don't think that's two-stroke fuel. I think he burnt it up. So I'm just going to see, because I know that I'm 90% sure that the gas in this bulb is regular fuel, but I just wanted to see if he put two-stroke fuel in the tank. It's interesting, isn't it? No, that's regular fuel, guys. Oh man, I think he heard it. Where's the muffler? I'd really like to have a look at that piston. It doesn't have a lot of compression. Here, I'll get you backed up a little bit. There's no compression at all there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn you off, pick the spark plug out. Okay, here's the spark plug. It does have a few hours on it. Let's check the compression. Where's my thumb? Well, it's got a little bit there. Let's just get some two-stroke fuel and throw it down there. Oh hey, don't have to get that fancy. I got this. I'm going to do this fairly fastly. This is two-stroke fuel. I'll rotate this a little bit. And put the plug back in. We'll just spin it in by hand like Musty does. Excuse me. Oh, we might as well tighten it up. I can't. I gotta do it my way. Okay. So what's choke and what's not choke? Where's the kill switch? Has it got an on-off switch or? What do we got here? Oh, there we go. It's ready to go. It should fire. Oh, I don't know, boss. Seems to be doing the right things. I'm going to take that spark. Are you guys still online? Yes, you are. I'm going to take that spark plug out again, and I'm going to just put a little bit of oil in that cylinder. It's funny, they don't make stuff to be serviced anymore, do they? I'm going to just check and see if we have a spark. Red is my favorite color these days. We'll just ground it. Where is there a ground? I guess down there, there's a ground. I wonder if the carburetor is grounded. Probably. There's a good spark there. You want to see it? So I extended the ground for the plug from the carburetor up to the unit, and we'll just Get you zoomed in on that spark plug. Whoa! I think you can see it. Alright my friends, this is the little Troy built 2-cycle engine that came in with, whoops, I shouldn't have put the gas in this plastic container, but I was out of places to put it yesterday. It's probably already dissolving the plastic. Anyway, it came in with regular fuel in it. Oh, that's alright, it's just me spilling gas. So, to get at, all I want to do is have a look inside the muffler. But to do so, it is completely made out of plastic, and I'm going to just rotate it around and take off every Torx T20. Seven. And I think that's it. It should come apart. Now we'll get all the screws. See if we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Let's get a little. You know what? I don't usually use them, but I'm going to get a magnetic tray. Keep them in there. And now I might have a few more bolts to take off yet. Oh, something's holding that devil on there. Did that help? A little bit. But I think the handle's going to have to come off too. So let's just do that. Well, I guess I'll take the handle off on both sides. Oh. Never seen one of these before, sorry. It's coming, maybe. Maybe, baby. There's still something holding it on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's no compression at all, eh? I want to get that. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I better take the 2 extra bolts off this handle. Looks like they want to come off too. Yeah, too many screws. Good. As long as I use them up while I'm done, right? Oh, I don't know where that came from. There we go. All right. Now, the big kahuna, the muffler, right here. That's what I wanted to get to. Boy, they sure put a lot of covers on there, didn't they? Oh, that's a bigger one. That might be a T25. Or an 8mm. 8mm. Okay. Now, hopefully you guys are watching some of this. Yes, you are. Take the washers. Well, let's just take the whole thing off. Okay. Are you with me? Let's get as much light in there as we can. Look at that piston. Now let's see if we can see inside to the cylinder. It's just a scored on the other side. So I'm not fixing this. And it looks to me like the block and the cylinder and the block are all one piece. So just let me put you down for a minute. I'm going to have a look myself. All right. All right, well, I have to phone the owner now and tell him that he's not getting, well, he can have it back. See you later. So, that is it. El Terminatus. I want to get you lined up so you can kind of see it. It's upside down from your point of view. Look at that. That's about as bad as it gets, guys. And I couldn't even get it to fire when I put richer than regular two-stroke fuel down there. I tried everything.